Yeah. Hey, at least that tree is not like it was.
Yeah, that tree won't hit the house now, I don't think, right?
Nah. No, because it's all just new, that's new trees.
Oh, you got a growth bug.
I know it's a firefly, Mom.
That's great.
It won't go away.
Stop pulling on me.
It won't fly away, Mama.
There you go. Oh, that feels good.
Now it's get about here. Because it's moving at 50.
Her windows are up, right? Because she likes
Yeah.
to leave them down.
Yeah, because it's moving at 50 miles an hour.
Don't bring that bug in my house.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here it comes. It's going to start pouring in about a second. Let's go. Get ready to go inside.
I can't run.
Oh, with the rain, I'm saying.
Take that with you, walk in the house.
All right, it's Dawn. Come on. You can see it right there. Woo! Oh my God, we're gonna look at these lines, dude. It's freezing. It's freezing. Oh shit, it might blow over a lamp post.
I've been asking you for 2 weeks to fix it.
It's so crazy how they came in all of a sudden. Fuck, it's all Oh! Shit!
Oh, I gotta pee!
Woo, boy! That little tree flexing, dude. No!
Oh.
It's just 80-mile-an-hour winds.